Oops, not the button I wanted to hit. Did this stop my... No, it didn't. I also don't even know if they're compatible with these keys. Hopefully I haven't made a huge mistake just buying one kind of quickly. Can you tell I don't do this very often? Oh, it has both. Oh, is this... Do I want to use this thing to pull it off, or do I want to use the other side? I don't know which side I'm supposed to use. I'm going to use this side. I thought I was supposed to go with something like this. And then it gets under it. You can kind of just... Yeah, kind of like that. Oh no, that went on. That went on, but it's clearly the up key. I thought I could cheat it, but they're sculpted, so you can't. So I'm gonna undo that quick. And well, let's try this. Does this do anything? No, that side's not very good. What do you use this side for? Can this side pull this one off? No, because I can't go all the way around it. How do I guess you have to look at the slants on them. Those are important, I guess. No, that was the down. That has to be the down key. I'm not high, I swear. Zero. Where did my zero key go? I've lost my... I found it. Why does that feel wrong? I've put the 8 in upside down, that's why that feels wrong. Wait, no I didn't. Wait, what? Yes I did. 789 doesn't go down here, dumbass. You dipshit. You ever looked at this just a few seconds ago? No. Where did they throw 1, 2, 3? Did I miss them? Did I eat them? This is like a tallways enter, I think. This is this enter, I think. Get out of there, dude. Jesus Christ. You have a mini shift. We have a very mini shift. I think this is too small of a shift to go anywhere. This is the smallest shift I ever seen. I don't know what kind of thing that goes on. You have another page up key? Oh no. We have 2 page up and page down keys? This could be an issue. I would imagine the ones in the back need to be taller. Because you need to reach further. These ones, because it kind of goes up. So it's naturally raised, so I think I want the tall one up there. Does that make sense? Am I an idiot? I don't know how many controls you would need on your keyboard, but I don't need that one, I'm pretty sure. Almost positive I don't. Oops. That's not what I meant to do. I didn't break it, did I? Caps lock is weirdly like an upside down thing. Arrow instead of like a hard line under it or something. I think is what it's supposed to be for the symbol, maybe. Or something, I don't know. They could have just wrote caps lock on it. That would have been nice. I want to click open up WordPad and just type a little bit here. Just a notepad. I don't write that fast anyway.